this take you so long? I had to sew on all of these individually.
Yeah, because I did it all by hand, so it took a long time.
It took forever.
It really did. It took a very long time to do. Oh, look. It's a hoop.
Hoop skirt.
There's a petticoat.
Yeah, I remember when you were making that.
Yeah, that was fun.
Remember this?
You remember me doing that?
Uh-huh.
All the embroidery?
All the embroidery, and you had to, like, sew fabric together.
I know, because it was too big. It wouldn't go all the way around the skirt.
And this is when you finished it.
Mm-hmm. It's all done.
Pockets.
There's a pocket in the skirt. There's the stomacher. There's a bunch of beads.
Got very intense with embroidery.
Yeah. And that's how the bodice closes or laces up.
And this is when you made the collar.
Mm-hmm.
The sleeves.
Sleeves.
Sleeves are super cool on this dress.
And they're poofy. They're poofy and tight all at the same time. It's a weird combination of strangeness. And there it is, all done. It's funny. That's fabulous. That's a dress. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, I like the embroidery. It's really pretty.
This is just a real job. Did you design that on the computer?
No, it's all from Claire Hummels' artwork. She did such an amazing job. She's such a great artist. I love her stuff. So that's the dress right there. Here, show them. That's Claire Hummels' dress, and I just copied it because I'm a copier. I steal ideas from other people. Hey guys, here's my son Jacob, and here is the prankster Bronson.
What? I'm not a prankster. What are you talking about?
Frankie. Anyways, yay! That's my documentation booklet. It's super big, and I really think it's pretty, so I'm gonna fill it all up with all the historical Disney princesses. Well, as many as I can get. I really want to do the 1920s one. Should I show you that one, Jacob? It's green.
No, I haven't seen it. Which
like
one is it?
It's the girl from the frog. Kiss the Frog one.
The Princess and the Frog.
Beauty and the Beast?
No, Beauty and the Beast I'm gonna do. That one's pretty. Alright then. Anyways.
Bye, peoples.
Say hi to Facebook.
Oh,
Say hi to Facebook.
please no.